Okay, I'm back. This is Rob again from Learning Technologies, and we're going to show you the second part of this video. The first part we went through actually creating the folders that would serve as content repositories for some sort of a course-based activity where you have specific learning outcomes based on what these students produce. So now you have to actually have them upload content to those folders. So it's really pretty simple. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can either have the students utilize standard Word, PowerPoint type applications and upload those, or you can utilize the Google suite of applications and have them create content directly inside their folder as well. So we'll show you both ways. So I'm going to just pick on Sally student here. So we're inside Sally student, as you can see by this breadcrumb that's listed up here. And what I'm going to do is my mouse is going to go off screen here temporarily. I'm going to grab a Word file, standard old Word file, .docx, and I'm going to drag that Word file and just drop it. And you can see it says uploading 91% and upload complete. So I'll go ahead and click close. And if I click on Sally student to refresh that screen, you can see that there is that Word file. And I'll just click on the actual application to open it up. And here it comes. It's a big document, so it'll take just a second to load, but there it is. It's just a standard Word file that's been uploaded, and you can see how it's rendered inside the Google environment. And again, that was to return it. Just click on that arrow, left pointing arrow at the very top. That was as simple as just dragging that in there. So we can also do that with Acrobat files as well. So let me see if I can find a standard Acrobat file. Before I come over there, let me get back to the correct folder. Let's go back to Sally. And I'll just drag a PDF file in there as well. And it's been uploaded, and if I look, there's the PDF file. And if I can find a PowerPoint file, I can drag a PowerPoint file in there as well. And up comes the PowerPoint file. So just like that, you can just simply drag things in there and drop them, and they're there. So you can use any various types of applications to create the file and then just simply drag them into the folder. It's very simple. But John here, or Billy, let's use Billy instead, has elected to do things just a little bit differently and prefers to create the document. So in Billy's case, he's going to come down to Document, and after he's inside of his folder, and he's going to create a new document directly inside. This is the Google Docs application, directly inside Google Docs, right? And he can click on share if he wants to. He can share it with somebody else, or he can click done if he's finished with that, right? So we'll head on back and over to John's folder, or it was Billy, pardon me, and there's that untitled document that I was just working on a second ago right here. So I can pull that back up again, and there is that thing. You can also, just like you do anything else, you can come up here and rename it if you want. And because we're dealing with a cloud-based application, it's a you're sort of saving it in the cloud. So this would be, I think this was John's folder, as I recall, John's document. Click OK, and now back, and it sort of saves as we go here. And again, once again, just to sort of see what's happening here. I'm sorry, that was Billy rather. I'm getting my my folks mixed up here, but that's a good exercise here. We can go back in and we can rename that if we want to. So that's actually Billy, not John. My mistake. Just like that. Very good. And he can continue to type and edit and do what he needs to do here. Okay. Let's just take a look at that real quick as we're moving along here. I've got two different things here I've added to that document, You notice that I didn't have to actually click save. It saved it sort of as I went along there. So now if I go back in just to sort of prove my point and look at Billy, you'll see that that has been saved as we went along. So it's nice because it saves as you go. And then we can head back and we can do the same thing. Go into that Billy folder and create a presentation if that's the desire. So again, we can create a presentation or a spreadsheet or a form or a drawing or whatever the case might be inside Billy's document. And then inside Billy's folder rather, and then Billy can share that folder with other students if he prefers, but obviously the instructor, the owner of the folder, would have full control over that document as well. So very simple to do, very simple to add content and so forth. So you can either do that vis-a-vis Word Office applications, or if you prefer to stay native to the Google environment, you can just have the students actually use the power of the tools that are right here, which is also nice as well. And this works out actually very, very well because they don't have to purchase applications separately. They can actually create their content directly within Google, which saves them a fair amount of money because Office is not necessarily very inexpensive. So again, the process is I demonstrated through Sally. You just simply drag those applications in, and it accepts PDF and PowerPoint and Word and all those different types of things. Alternatively, as I demonstrated with Billy, you can create a document and off you go. So this would be a new document. And notice it says saving right up here and save as changes have been saved, right? And then you can come down and rename it. So this would be the new document. And again, saved and return, and you can see that I have very simply and easily created another new document. How about that? Very easy, very nice to do. Makes it super easy for students to be able to create various types of course content using the power of the cloud and using the power of these shared applications. So either way, drag and drop or create new, and both work fine, and they work very effectively. Let us know if you have any questions about that.